Welcome to my Halloween special, The Torture of a Coin. This is an appropriate coin, it's Irish. And today I'm going to turn it into a painful ring for somebody. So, first of all, we go over to Iron Maiden. This was a torture device back in the day. How you all doing on this weird, strange evening? I hope you're terrified. So, we now go over to the knee splitter. And here she is. She splits your knees quite happily. Okay. Let's break it a bit more. Right. You've been punched. Now for some more torture. This little device here will take your skin off very, very slowly. It's painful, isn't it? Hey? You had enough yet, boy? I can keep doing this all night. Let me hear you say, please stop. Please stop. Please. No, I'm not going to stop. I can do this all day. Please stop. Please. No. Today's a special day. It's a day of pain. Please don't. Please. Okay. How's it looking? She's taken some skin off there. Okay. Now, let's give it a bit of warmth. Shall we? This is the skin remover. I'm going to make you suffer. I hope you're all having a scary time tonight. Please stop. No, I'm going to heat you up really big. I want to make you suffer. Please don't. Please, mister. Please. Oh, so hot. Would you like me to cool you down? Shall I cool you down slowly, make you suffer? Please, please. I love it. Okay. Let's dry you off then, shall we? See how you're looking. You're looking a bit crispy, aren't you? You're looking a bit burnt today. So, there you go. So when I go over to one of my death tubes, and we'll have this side on the sunny side up. This goes face down in my death tube. And the Irish invented Halloween, did you know that? Right, Now we go to the rack. And I'll give you 3 guesses what you can do with this. Right. Oh yeah. Is that hurting? I think I should change you to a slightly smaller death tube. Oh, that's good. It's a bit dark in here tonight. All the lights have gone out. Okay. Right, let's get Sandy out. You've never seen Sandy like this before. A lot of people think she's a good girl, but she's not. She's going to scrape your skin off till you bleed. Please don't. Please. Look at that. There's a little bit of skin left there, though. She's got to come off. Please. Please don't. I'll do anything. Anything? I'll do anything. I don't want anything. I like this. I like causing you pain. A bit more. There's a bit more skin to come off there. Come on, Sandy, a bit more. I don't feel very well. You're going to feel even worse by the time this is over. Right. Let's give you a bit more fire, shall we? Today, you messed with the wrong bloke. Yes, you did. Today is suffering day. By the end of this, you wish you'd never been born. Do you want some quenching? Shall I do it quick or slowly? Ah, lovely. Oh, does that hurt? Please, mister. Oh, sorry. I'll just hold you under the water for a few seconds. Okay. Have you had enough yet? Am I the boss? Hey? Am I the boss? So now I'm going to take you over to the impalement stick. And that is going to hurt. That's going to hurt me more than it's going to hurt you. Yes, this is my favourite tool, the impalement stick. And I'm stretching you. Please don't. Oh, please. You had enough yet? Who's the man? Go and say it. Who's the man? You're the man. No, 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 no. You get more. Please don't. You're the man. I can keep doing this all day, Mr. Coin. I told you, you messed with the wrong bloke today. Okay, okay, okay. Stop. You're the boss. You're the man. Okay, I'll stop. Did feel good for me though. There you go. Maybe I want to give you a couple more pumps. Why? Because I want to. I think that will do. So now I go down to the bottom and I will use my tunnel of death to start with, just to get it started. I've had enough of this. I haven't, I'm enjoying it. It's Halloween. Right. Let's put in the execution wheel. Aye, aye. Right. I think we need to turn the reduction wheel over. I'm feeling quite peckish. I could quite easily eat an eye. I think I will. I'll have a bite. Yeah. I like eating eyes. Eyes are my mates. It's sweet. Maybe a touch more. Have you ever tried eating eyes? That's straight. Right, I'm going to eat the other half of this eye. Look at that. Don't talk with your mouth full. Okay. This is the Grim Reaper. And it also flays your skin off. I hope you're all having a terrifying evening tonight. And I might come and see you in your dreams tonight. Wherever you are. Especially you guys in Canada and the States that I've been chatting to recently. I'll be coming for you tonight. In your dreams, I'll be there. You think I'm joking, don't you? I never joke. You want scary? I'll give you scary. You wish you'd never been born. Dear, oh dear. Now, It's got a bit of skin around the inside there. Now we want to get that off. We're going to cut that skin out. And this is painful for the coin. I don't usually like giving my coins pain, but today's a special day. So if you've got any coins you'd like me to hurt and torture, send them to me. I'd love to hurt your coins, big time. Right, let's give it some acid on its skin. This is like sulfuric acid. It just takes all the dead cells off your skin and makes you look shiny and bright. You had enough yet? Yeah, I think I've had enough. I just want to go home. Well, you can go in my shop later on. I'll go anywhere. I don't want to be here no more. I don't like it. I'm scared. Well, I've enjoyed giving you pain. I've enjoyed every minute of this little video of mine on this special occasion. Let's clean the mandy-pandies. Ready for the next bit of, the last bit of pain you're going to get today. Oh, thank you, kind sir. This is Dave. Dave can burn you as well. It's a friction burner. Ouch! Can I go home yet? You can go home very, very soon. And I enjoyed your company for the last 20 minutes or so. You've been good. What size did we get in the end? And don't ask what this is called. I'll give you 3 guesses. And you always measure from the thick end of the coin. And this is a American size. It's 12 3/4. So, thank you for watching this special episode of Your Thing in My Ring. I hope you have a really terrifying evening. And I'll see you tomorrow. Take it easy. Bye-bye.